Alright, we are in Ilsan. Ilsan is where I grew up. I brought Lily here so we can meet my family, go look at the places I used to live. We came to Hosugongwon, like a lake park right now, or we're walking there right now. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I had some tea. I fell asleep on the subway, which I didn't think was going to be comfortable, but it was actually really comfortable. And it was a nice ride. Nice smooth ride.
Yeah, it was about 40-45 minute ride from Seoul. Fine, we're actually going to try to find a bicycle rental so we can ride around the park. My old home, my neighborhood is not too far from here, so we can hopefully ride the bicycle all the way there. And hopefully they do have a bicycle rental because it was here 18 years ago.
Back in my day.
It's my bike. This is Lily's bike.
I had to tuck in my pants.
It's very beautiful.
So peaceful.
This is nice.
Hi. Let's go eat.
This was my favorite place to eat when I was growing up here. First, the meat. Second, the noodles. And then last, they'll make the rice in this pot. Just like that, it's ready.
Skip some in the sauce.
So we just got done cooking some meat. We just cooked some noodles. Once we're done with the noodles, we call the ladies over, and then they'll dump some of the broth out, and in the pot they're gonna dump that rice in to make the fried rice out of it. It's gonna be amazing.
I see the little crispies in there. No. You just have to try it.
Wow, so good. Really, the taste hasn't changed. The place looks much nicer. Nothing has changed in 20 years. It's still the best meal I ever had on this trip so far. Wow, I'd love to come back to eat again for dinner. We are slowly entering my neighborhood that I used to live in. A little ahead, you'll see the elementary school that I attended back in 2005. I still remember all this. My friends used to live in this apartment. We used to go to this convenience store here. It was called something different. They had a little small like gaming devices outside. We used to run around these pathways, play soccer in these pathways. And there was also like a trampoline set up, and you pay like 50 cents for 10, 20, 30 minutes. I don't remember exactly. That was really fun to do. And this is my school right here. That's my elementary school. It's called Pengma Cho등akyo, White Horse Elementary School. This is the gate. We were literally walking through this gate, walk this pathway to enter the school. This brings back a lot of memories. 18 years ago. Wow, actually not much has changed in here. Not much. Same statue. I'll show you. Our white horse statue. Same pine tree smell. Wow, really, I really don't think a lot has changed. This is where we would enter, right here. That's the playground where we play soccer almost every day. Here you go. I don't think you're supposed to walk for that. My knees ain't up for that right now. Well, this playground looks a lot smaller than I remember. But it's probably because I got a lot bigger. Ah, the memories. Oh, this one. This is a game where you throw a rock, and then you go boom, boom, and I think you have to avoid the rock.
There's statues here too.
Yeah, that's Sejongdaewang. Remember we saw that in Ilsan Jangon. We saw this yesterday.
Mm-mm.
It's the same people, the same king and the warrior. This is where I was made. Go! So this is also another playground we played in. We play a lot of soccer here as well, a lot of tag. This is around the neighborhood. Oh, I remember this area being a lot bigger, but that's how much I was smaller probably, huh? This was my apartment right here on the 5th floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this spot right here, I was mugged by high school kids. They mugged $10 out of me. I was so scared.
$10?
Uh-huh. That was a big money back in the day, 20 years ago. This is exactly where I lived, right in here. And then this is where I used to park my bicycle. So this is where I used to live. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th floor, right there. Right here. Uh-huh. And then there was like a little grocery store there. On top of that building right here, that's where I got my black belt in Taekwondo. I think they still have the exact same Taekwondo spot there. Yep, Tungguri Taekwondo, same name. Wow, it's crazy. All right, so I was quite a rollerblader back in the day. And this is where I learned how to rollerblade. They still have it. This is rollerblading link. A lot of kids would come out, rollerblade here. It was really fun. Yeah, they still have it. Nice little smooth green surface painted. So yeah, we just ended a full tour of my neighborhood. We're gonna get back to Lake Park. It's really fun right there too, so let's go. That's crazy, they still have this here. So this is a fit pressurized walkway. So fit pressurizing on the bottom of your foot really helps to circulate all your blood. There's all different press points for all your different organs. It controls the health of your organs of your body. They make this little pathway. A lot of old people do this. We did it as a fun for kids. But you see, it's very rocky. You walk around this path barefooted. It pressurizes your feet. It really gets your circulation going. I can't believe it's still here. So we came to see our grandma and grandpa here. We already did the whole bowing ceremony already. That's a little personal, so not for the film, but this is where they are right here. Grandpa was buried here first and grandma was buried here with him. This has their names. So we came to have a duck barbecue, one of my favorite places to have here. It's like a K barbecue but with ducks. 그 정도야? 맞습니다.
저희 두 마리? 두 마리? 두 마리. 큰일 났다 이거. 어?
이건 찍어야지.
이렇게 해서 원래 이렇게 하는 거야.
아, 탕탕탕. 탕탕탕. 오케이.
없어 보이게 그런 거 같아.
You wanna try?
Yeah.
Try. You do it. 2 years.
아 그래? 고추.
Hard. You gotta bang it. There you go. Keep going. And
좋은 거 알려준다.
Good job. So Somac master right here.
아 야, 이게 열심히 굽고 있는 산책을 찍어야 되는 거 아니야? 아니. 아니야. 소주.
우리 상엽이가 몇 년? 8년?
8년.
8년 만에 왔습니다.
8 years since I've been back here. 8 years ago I came, I asked them to bring me here. Same, I asked them to bring me here again. Apparently it's world-renowned duck cuisine. You don't see this in America. Duck barbecue. 은준아, hello 한 번만 해줘.
Hello,
What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
He's so tall.
He is tall.
Well, I'm short too. 하나, 둘, 셋. Cheese. Beautiful.
다음에 또 와.
찰칵.
다음에 만납시다. 잘 가고. 사랑해.
이거 영상할 때 이거 엔딩 하면 되겠다. Alright, that was a fun day today. We just went to have a duck barbecue, visit my grandma and grandpa. Thank you to my uncle and my aunt and my nephew, where they were able to bring us around some places. Had a good time.
It was so fun.
Did you have a good time meeting my family?
Amazing time.
Awesome.
They're so nice. They gave me a gift, and and besides that, they gave us good food. We got to meet your grandma, grandpa. That was really cool.
All right, we are in a place called La Festa. Like just an outside center, outdoor center. A lot of food, a lot of shopping, a lot of drinking, a lot of pubs, a lot of karaoke stuff as well too. It's a really nice street to walk in at nighttime. You really see the night lights here. But yeah, we were just strolling. I think we might go to karaoke. I think Lily wants to sing tonight, so.
I'm gonna sing. Look how cool up there it looks.
DJ, bump this party up tonight.
So we made it to the karaoke spot. So when you rent the room, we got it for 1 hour. Comes with some tambourines, some tissues. I guess this is a catalog of all the music they have.
But nowadays, the young people, they just use this to search the songs they want. They don't really use a book, so.
As you have the book open.
Yeah, I'm a young people. Let's see.
We were down there and we're here now.